Hello everyone. So what you're seeing here is a sample project that students can build as a part of BetterMind Labs AML program. The idea behind this project is very simple. Instead of building a regular chatbot, we wanted to explore how AI can feel more interactive and more human. What you're looking at is a 3D virtual assistant. It listens to voice commands, understands them using an LLM running in the background, and responds using natural speech. Under the hood, the system uses a text-to-speech model and a custom JavaScript libraries like 3JS to render and animate the 3D models in real time. It processes voice input, understands the intent, and replies back, almost like you're talking to a real assistant. Now, the project like this have a very practical real-world application. In education, this can work as an interactive tutor where students can ask questions and receive spoken, easy-to-understand explanations. It can also act as a virtual assistant for websites, applications, or internal tools. As in accessibility and assistive technology, voice-based animated assistant like this can be incredibly powerful for users who find traditional interfaces difficult to use. This is exactly the kind of projects future BetterMind Lab students can customize, extend, and evolve. You can turn it into a learning companion, a custom support assistant, or even a personalized AI guide. More importantly, building something like this helps students understand how modern AI projects actually designed, integrated, and deployed in the real world. So overall, this project serves as a learning template, something to experiment with, improve, and truly make your own. And that is the philosophy we follow at BetterMind Labs, learning artificial intelligence by building real usable systems. Now, I'll show you a quick demonstration of the project. So this is the AI model. I'll start speaking to this model. So what is the capital of the United States?
The capital of the United States is Washington, D.C. Sure.
So this was the demonstration of the project. Thank you for watching the video.